Hello, I would like to introduce you to Gold King International. During this presentation, you will gain a deeper understanding of how precious metals can benefit you and your clients. We have the benefit of working with one of the largest and most reputable mints in the United States. Let's get started. It's difficult today to turn on the television or look on the internet and not hear something about gold or silver. Listed here are a few examples. Gold at 10,000, bearish makes the case. As long as government indebtedness fuels currency devaluation, bearish says investors will have to buy gold. Gold proves safest as Goldman Sachs forecast record states that it's a riskless return. In India, to use gold to pay for Iran oil, China may follow. This is because India and China need to switch from using the dollar and establish paying for oil with gold independent of the global financial system which is run by New York and London. The demand is high and growing, but so is the need for guidance. Gold King believes it's time to educate and assist others in allocating a portion of their assets into precious metals. Owning precious metals is a portfolio diversifier. They provide real diversity in a client's portfolio versus stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and annuities, which are all paper-backed investments. Experts agree that every investor should balance their market risk with precious metals and utilize gold and silver as an investment that encompasses up to 25% of their portfolio. If you know some of your clients are investing in higher volatile areas, such as real estate, stocks, and bonds, you may want to help them balance their risk in gold or silver where it has low volatility. Precious metals are a safe haven in times of geopolitical and financial market instability. Another way to think of it is real gold and silver is like insurance or protection against economic unrest. People accumulate dollars to spend, however, to preserve wealth and maintain purchasing power, you need to invest and save in precious metals. Precious metals have been proven to be the only reliable hedge against inflation. With the debt crisis in the U.S. today, the monetary system has been printing money to keep up with the expense of debt, which is causing the dollar to depreciate and inflation to take place. This chart shows a direct correlation between inflation and the price of gold. Most would agree that the debt crisis in the U.S. is not going to be resolved within the near future. This should cause a continual rise in inflation and the value of precious metals. Gold and silver are the ultimate form of real money. They are tangible. They cannot be created by the government like paper currency. Gold and silver can be easily transported. It does not rust or crumble, and the characteristics of gold and silver are consistent all over the world. Essentially, all you're doing is exchanging one currency for another, fiat money or paper money for real money, which is gold and silver. Fiat money is money that derives its value from government regulation or law, and every fiat currency ultimately goes back to its true value, which is zero. History has shown that fiat currency makes it easier for any government to increase the money supply through borrowing, printing, and particularly harmful deficit spending. Gold and silver has been seen as real money for thousands of years worldwide. It has never had a value of zero. Precious metals are a hedge against the declining dollar. As you look at the chart, the long straight line shows that from 2002 to 2012, the value of the dollar has decreased. Many believe that the value of the dollar will continue to decline as debt increases. More money will need to be printed to keep up with the debt, thus devaluing the dollar. This can have a positive impact on the value of gold and silver. This chart shows the direct correlation between the U.S. debt and the price of gold. As you can see, as debt has increased, so has the price of gold. Based on the current projections, by the year 2015, the U.S. has the potential to have $23.5 trillion of debt, which can propel gold to reach $5,000 an ounce. This table illustrates different asset classes and their performance over a 15-year period. On the top right, you will see that precious metals averaged a 12.83% return, only second to real estate with a return of 13.04%. Precious metals performance was greater than the Russell 2000, S&P 500, which averaged 8.87%, the bond index, and Treasury bills. Many of us are familiar with the S&P 500, which consists of 500 large-cap American companies. The chart in the upper left-hand corner shows the performance of gold and the S&P 500 since 2001. You will see there is a low correlation between the two, which means owning gold can help protect other assets. The lower right chart shows the volatility ratio between the S&P 500 and gold. Many believe that gold has high volatility. However, it is significantly less volatile than most commodities and many equity indices. It tends to behave more like a currency. Assets with low volatility will help to reduce overall risk in a portfolio, adding a beneficial effect on expected returns. As you can see, gold has been significantly less volatile than the S&P 500. The demand for precious metals is high and growing. Jewelry, industry use, and investments are the major drivers for this demand. Gold demand in the third quarter of 2011 increased 6%, which equates to $57.7 billion, an all-time high in value terms. Growth was driven by investment demand, which rose by 33% year-on-year. The demand for gold bars and coins increased 29%. This equated to $21.4 billion compared to the previous year at $12 billion. Gold King works directly with one of the largest mints in North America, with a heritage that dates back to 1903. The mint has over 6 locations across the U.S. and annually mints millions of ounces of silver. They have produced and minted coins and metals for government, corporate, and private entities around the world. Because of our relationship with the mint, Gold King can provide the most popular products in the industry today. Why offer precious metals? There are a few factors that you may want to consider. First, clients and prospects need and want advice regarding owning precious metals. Clients are also looking for diversification, which can lower their risk due to precious metals' low correlation to many other asset classes. You can roll any IRA, 401k, SEP, TSA, 403b, pension, or profit-sharing plan into an IRA funded with 100% real gold and silver. Next, clients will not have to open an account at a competing company to add precious metals to their portfolio. They can work directly with you. Clients will also have the peace of mind knowing that their precious metal allocation is based on their needs and goals. Next, there are substantial incremental revenue opportunities available for you. Industry-wide, a growing number of clients are asking for precious metals. The ability to offer precious metals will not only enhance you and your client's relationship, but also create referral opportunities. The investment demand for precious metals continues to gain momentum and notice in the press, television, almost anywhere you look, even street corners offering to buy gold. Many professionals are making additional income by simply offering precious metals to their clients. There is a low minimum investment of only $1,000 for non-qualified purchases. If your clients purchase precious metals through an IRA, the minimum is $5,000. As for you, the representative, we offer favorable compensation, which we will review shortly. Offering precious metals is simple to start and administer with low risk. Precious metals are non-registered products with no additional license required to sell. Gold King provides you with all the tools necessary to assist your clients. We have made the education process for you and your clients simple. The sales process is straightforward and systematic. Lastly, you can be underway in helping your clients in a short time. The benefits of working with Gold King. Gold King provides great products and services from a source you can trust. Your clients work directly with you to ensure a smooth process for their purchases. As a representative of Gold King, you will receive a 10% discount on all personal purchases. Gold King believes it's important for you to own precious metals. This will give you an opportunity to display them to your clients and can reassure your clients that you feel very strongly about the importance of owning them. This may increase your client's confidence level in purchasing precious metals. Gold King equips you with knowledge and resources to assist your clients throughout the process. Gold King gives a portion of its proceeds towards charitable organizations that take care of the poor and needy. This is something we love to do because we believe in not only success, but making a difference in the lives of others. This can be an asset to you and your client, knowing that every time you do business with Gold King, you are making a world of difference. This is one of the resources we have available for your clients. It is an educational booklet that contains the different types of products available. Some of the topics included are the silver to gold ratio, precious metals in an IRA, liquidity, and frequently asked questions. You can provide this to your clients prior to scheduling a meeting with them or give it to them after your presentation. These are very nice marketing materials for you to give to your clients as well. This includes a brochure for each type of metal, which is gold, silver, platinum, and palladium. Each one educates your client with information specific to each type of metal, such as its durability, convenience, portability, consistency, inherent value, supply and demand, and the types of products that can be purchased. It also provides a list of the most popular products that we have available for each metal. There is also a brochure on the facts of owning precious metals and a brochure with common questions that many clients may have. There is a presentation available for you to utilize with your clients. We have simplified this presentation so that you can read the text and explain the charts in a manner where your clients would have all the education they need to understand the value of owning precious metals and why they should incorporate a percentage in their portfolio. Our web address is www.goldkingint.com, and this site is designed primarily for your clients. We have created it to be user-friendly with easy navigation throughout the site. The information is geared towards establishing credibility through our relationship with the Mint. It also includes the history of precious metals, performance charts, products, and frequently asked questions. Throughout the site, we refer the client back to their representative for any questions or assistance. We do not solicit or communicate directly with your clients unless you make a request for us to do so. There is a section on the site where your clients can request a free educational booklet. However, they must indicate who referred them and who their representative is. Once we receive their request, we will inform you so that you can contact them and send them the booklet personally. This is one of the web pages that displays some of the most popular gold products that we offer. In the upper left-hand corner, you can click on Gold Bullion, and it describes the benefits of owning gold and a number of the unique properties that make it invaluable to the industry. You can also click on each individual product, and it will give you a description, benefits, and different size options, such as 1 ounce, half ounce, and quarter ounce coins. This web page has the same format as the one for gold, but this is for silver products. We also have the same type of web page for both platinum . This is a precious metals estimator which will assist you and your clients in the process of placing an order. This calculator will give you the ability to determine the approximate cost for each product with Gold King. After entering your client's name and the purchase amount, you will input the current ask price for each metal, which can be found at the top of the Gold King website. Then you can The sales process is seamless for both you and your client. There are 5 simple steps to complete the transaction. Step 1, go through the presentation with your client. Step 2, use the website and estimator to find out what the client would like and fill out the order form packet. Step 3, the client submits their funds, and once the funds have cleared, their order is placed. For a qualified purchase, once the funds are available with the custodian, their order is placed. Step 4, your client's metals are delivered to the place they indicated on their order form. And Step 5, you, the representative, will Here at Gold King International, we believe in meeting the needs of our customers and showing our appreciation for helping Gold King help others. When your client completes a purchase of precious metals with Gold King, and they refer someone to you who completes a purchase for precious metals, Gold King will reward your client with a token of thanks. Below are the ways we help our customers increase their portfolio of precious metals while properly thanking each person for passing on this opportunity. To the left, you will see a range of different investment amounts. Depending on how much a referred client invests, will determine the amount of metals your client will receive for referring someone to you. The Gratitude Program is designed for Gold King representatives who know other individuals that might be interested in offering precious metals through Gold King. If you do not have the desire, time, or ability to assist others in getting started, Gold King can compensate you for simply referring that individual to us. You will receive 0.5% of all sales. At Gold King, we have a team mentality. We believe that together everyone can achieve more. We believe that we can help you get started in a career that has many positive qualities, including longevity, diversification, and wealth accumulation. You can assist yourself, your clients, friends, and family in owning one of the most valuable assets in the world that has been. The process to get started is simple. Step 1, complete the representative paperwork and turn it in to the person that introduced you to Gold King. Step 2, get familiar with the client presentation, marketing materials, website, tools, and paperwork. And Step 3, begin offering precious metals. On behalf of Gold King International, I would like to thank you for your time and consideration. To become a team member, please contact the person who referred you to this presentation or call us at 866-905-7283. You can also email us at info@goldkingint.com. We look forward to working